everyone, my name is Kim Belanger and I am the Children's Ministry Director here at Wellington Square United Church in Burlington, Ontario. Now, while we may not be able to gather in person for Vacation Bible School this year, we've got great news for you. We are taking Rocky Railway VBS online and we hope that you can join us. Each day there'll be worship, Bible adventures, imagination station, kids cinema, all sorts of fun surprises, and we would love for you to join us. VBS is geared for campers ages 4 through 11, but you might be feeling that you're a little bit younger than 4 and you'd still love to join us. You might also think, well, I'm a little bit older than 11. Is VBS still okay for me? And the answer is yes, it is. Monday, June 29th through to Friday, July 3rd is our VBS week, and that's the week that we are going to be going online with our program. Each morning at 9 a.m., you're going to tune into the link that I send you, and you're going to participate in all of the activities with us. We really are excited that we can share with you about how awesome Jesus is and remind you about His power and how it can pull you through. So again, we just encourage you to join us at Rocky Railway VBS this summer, and we look forward to seeing you soon.